For decades, the world has spoken about peace. But in 2026, peace is no longer a guarantee. From Eastern Europe to the Middle East to rising tensions in Asia, modern warfare is no longer fought only on battlefields. It is fought in the skies with drones, in cyberspace with algorithms, and in the global economy with oil, gold, and power. Every missile fired, every border crossed, sends shockwaves far beyond the front lines. Stock markets react within seconds. Oil prices surge, gold becomes the world's safe haven. But behind every statistic, every economic shift, there are real lives. Families displaced, cities turned into battle zones, and a world economy struggling to keep balance. This is the reality of modern warfare in 2026. A war not just for land, but for influence, resources, and global power. And the question the world must ask today, if this is the present, what will the future look like?